Hello, my name is Nikhil and I have built a project on travel sales city tour optimizer which was built using the Python. So here we get started. In this project, we having a project structure like main.py which was basically used for scripting the script and the main program. The second one will be the reader.py which we use to read the coordinates from the CSV. Third one will be the distance.py, which was used to analyze and calculate the distance using the Haversine algorithms and distance matrix logics. Apart from that, we have also have a module known as TSP solver, which use the algorithm like TSP algorithm and a distance calculator uh, to export the project to the JSON file. We have using the export.py, in which we have using the we have export the file in GeoJSON file. In the places.csv, we having the input.data inputs of the CSV files, which includes the place, names, and its coordinates. So here we get started. And the first step will be our reading the CSV data. Let me just show you the where the CSV data. This is the CSV file. It can be any of it can be any as per user, as per the client. It depends on various factors. So here's is my example, in which we have the latitude and longitude of the Taj Mahal, Great Wall of China, Mount Fuji, and the Burj Khalifa. And this is just an example. We can say it as a sample test case. So in that, we used to read the CSV file. In the second step, we used to find out the distance using the Haversine algorithm, which used to calculate the great circle between the two geographical coordinates. It can be says that from point A to point P, what will be the distance it used to analyze and calculate those distance in a distance matrix. The next step, which one will be the third step, it's matrix, which was built a matrix of distance between all pairs of the places using the Haversine formula. As we seen, we have introduced and we have calculated using the Haversine distance calculation from longitude A to longitude B. Just take as an example as from going the Taj Mahal to the Great Wall of China. What will be the distance? It will be calculated using the Haversine distance calculation and using the distance matrix. Uh, the fourth step will be a TSP solver, which known as a greedy approach. In a greedy approach, we used to get the shortest path. We used to simply find a route from going from one and returning to the same place, like going to Taj Mahal. Like let me just show you that thing. Yeah, going from a Taj Mahal, Great Wall of China, Mount Fuji, Burj Khalifa, and they get return back to the Taj Mahal. This will be our criteria. Like, see, let me just okay. Yeah, this one will be a Taj Mahal. This one will be a Great Wall of China. Uh, what what's the next? Let me just show you. Okay, Great Wall of China. So what will be the distance? Total distance. It will be calculated via several algorithms and all. See, as we have seen over here, let me just clear it out. Like it just popped up out. Let me just clear. Erase, erase, erasing. Okay. Okay. Just close it up. See, as we saw, uh, from going to the Taj Mahal, Great Wall of China, Mount Fuji, and the Burj Khalifa. This will all be the coordinates of our program. It's just a sample test case. So, how it's going to be work? We will new it in a real time scenario. Like we have seen in TSP solver, which used to find and track that we have visited all places. Then the next step will be the calculate the total route distance. It can be said as is a summation of all the places distance. Like point A to point B, it will be the y x. Sorry, it will be the x. From B to C, it will be the y, and C to D, it will be the z. And what will be the all the summation? It will be summation will be like x summation of x plus y plus z. This will be all of these total length, which will be compute the all the total distance. The next step will be exporting to the JSON file. What will be the JSON file? It can be shown. It can be say as JSON is. It can be said as the file which used to help in a web page, websites or a web pages to analyze those data. See, in a places.csv, we will talk about the Eiffel Tower. This is the second example. And what the total is, it will be the 10.5. It will be calculated by using the several formulas. This is the our main file. Well, let me just show you. See, the main file, it will go from the read.csv. It will see, this is the read.csv. It used to first read those CSV file. Then the second will be the calculate the compute distance. The compute distance will be calculated using the distance dot point. It will be like going from longitude to 1, longitude 2, and just mapping those distance, that calculating using this formula, sine the latitude of 2 to the power of 2 plus cos latitude of 1 into cos latitude of 2 into sine d ln by 2 to the power of 2. This will be the formula. This to calculate the this can be said as it's a Haversine formula, which is used for the greater circle. Apart from that, we will go to the TSP solver, which used to give the total compute distance. And next up, last step will be the export JSON file. What will be the see? Let me just run it up. See, from going from the Taj Mahal to the Mount Fuji, into the Greater Wall of China, Burj Khalifa, and Taj Mahal, it will be like 15901 kilometers. It used the actual. It used to submit all of the total distance from Taj Mahal. We can say it as, let me just, yeah, see, Taj Mahal to the Mount Fuji, Great Wall of China, Burj Khalifa, and another will be Taj Mahal. See, it will go from here to the here to the here. It will begin this and this one. The G will be go from the T of M, T of G, and this will be T of G. And we will be like T gone gone. This is the total formula. This total distance will be around 15901 km. Okay, this will be the actual total distance that we use to calculate them all. Let me just undo this now. This is all. This is all that how my project is going to be work. And let me just show you where I've done in a GitHub how you can access to my project. Let me just go to my Google Chrome. I'm going to add those link of my GitHub to the description box. Let me just go to my GitHub. Yeah, this is all about my project. Read.m. You can read or have a look about all of my project structures, understanding the codes, the CSVs formats, the sample output, and the dependencies that are used to building in these modules like CSV, JSON, and man.plant. This is all about my project. Hope you will understand it out. So thank you.